Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to highlight text in different color in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text with highlighted. Now we want to highlight this different text, different color. Firstly, zoom in the document. Then go to the insert menu, then click the shapes option, choose rectangle, then draw a rectangle over the text. Go to the format menu, then click shape fill color, then choose the yellow color, then go to the shape outline, choose no color, then copy the shape and paste inside. Click the shape and click wrap text option, then choose none, then set the shape over the text. Then select the shape and change color. Then click the text box and go to the format menu, then click send backward, then choose send to back. Otherwise click right button and click send to back. Then zoom out the document. Now we can see we highlight text in different color in this document very easily. We use the shape. Here not available the highlight option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.